Have you ever had a deep longing to reconnect with a long-lost friend, only to have them suddenly appear at your doorstep? Or perhaps you've heard stories of people who seem to jump timelines, finding themselves in a reality where their wildest dreams were already manifested. While these occurrences may seem like the stuff of science fiction or magical thinking, what if I told you that there's a way to unlock the quantum reality code and make these extraordinary experiences a regular part of your life? Imagine a world where you have the power to shape your reality, not just through hard work and determination, but by tapping into the quantum field of infinite possibilities. A world where you can manifest your deepest desires and create the life of your dreams, simply by aligning your energy and consciousness with the outcomes you seek. This may sound too good to be true, but cutting-edge research in the fields of quantum physics and consciousness studies suggests that it's not only possible, but that we all have the innate ability to access these advanced levels of manifestation. In this video, we'll take a deep dive into the fascinating world of manifestation and explore the different levels of this powerful practice. We'll start with the basics, covering the key principles of manifestation and some common examples that you may have already experienced in your life. But we won't stop there. As we journey deeper down the rabbit hole, we'll explore the quantum reality code and learn how to tap into alternate timelines where our desires are already realized. By the end of this video, you'll have a newfound understanding of the nature of reality and a toolbox of techniques to help you manifest the life of your dreams. So buckle up, keep an open mind, and let's embark on this wild ride together. The basics of manifestation. Picture this. You're at a bustling cafe, sipping your favorite latte, when you overhear a group of friends raving about how they've been using manifestation to transform their lives. One of them shares how she manifested her dream job by clearly envisioning herself in the role and believing it was already hers. Another chimes in, explaining how he attracted his soulmate by focusing on the feeling of love and gratitude. As you listen to their stories, you can't help but feel a spark of curiosity. What exactly is manifestation, and how does it work? At its core, manifestation is the practice of bringing a desired outcome or goal into reality through the power of your thoughts, beliefs, and actions. It's based on the idea that our thoughts and energy have the ability to shape our reality and attract experiences that align with our vibration. The key principles of manifestation include gaining clarity on what you want, cultivating an unwavering belief that it's possible, aligning your thoughts, emotions, and actions with your desire, detaching from the outcome, and expressing gratitude for what you already have. You've likely experienced manifestation in your own life, even if you didn't realize it at the time. Have you ever thought about someone right before they called or texted you? Or perhaps you've had a strong gut feeling about something that later turned out to be true. These are examples of unconscious manifestation, where your thoughts and energy inadvertently attracted a particular outcome. So, if we're already manifesting on an unconscious level, imagine the possibilities when we learn to harness this power consciously. Conscious manifestation involves deliberately focusing your thoughts and energy on a specific goal or desire, no matter how small or large. It could be something as simple as envisioning a prime parking spot opening up just as you arrive at your destination, or as significant as attracting your dream partner or career opportunity. The key is to approach the process with a sense of joy, ease, and detachment, trusting that the universe will deliver your desire in the perfect timing and way. As you begin to experiment with conscious manifestation, you may find yourself wondering just how far this power can take you. Is it possible to manifest things beyond the scope of your everyday reality? The answer may surprise you. In the next section, we'll explore the different levels of manifestation and discover how advanced practitioners are using this tool to bend the fabric of reality itself. But before we dive into the mind-bending world of advanced manifestation, let's take a moment to reflect on the principles we've covered so far. Gaining clarity, cultivating belief, aligning your energy, detaching from the outcome, and expressing gratitude. These are the cornerstones of conscious manifestation. By mastering these principles and incorporating them into your daily life, you'll lay the foundation for unlocking the quantum reality code and accessing the full potential of your consciousness. So, as we move forward, keep an open mind and a sense of wonder. The journey ahead is filled with mind-expanding revelations and practical techniques that will empower you to shape your reality like never before. Get ready to have your assumptions challenged and your perception of what's possible blown wide open. In the next section, we'll explore the different levels of manifestation and discover how advanced practitioners are using this tool to create lives beyond their wildest dreams. Stay tuned. Levels of manifestation. Now, let's dive into the juicy part, the different levels of manifestation. As you may have guessed, manifestation isn't a one-size-fits-all practice. There are varying degrees of proficiency and depth that one can achieve. Some models propose 4 distinct stages, each building upon the last to unlock greater levels of power and potential. At the basic level, we have unconscious manifestation, the type of manifestation that happens without our conscious awareness, like in the examples we discussed earlier. This is where most people operate from, attracting experiences and outcomes based on their subconscious beliefs and patterns. But as we move up the ladder, things start to get really interesting. The next level is conscious manifestation, where we deliberately focus our thoughts and energy on a specific desire, like attracting a new job or a romantic partner. This is where the principles of clarity, belief, alignment, detachment, and gratitude come into play. However, the real magic happens when we reach the advanced and higher levels of manifestation. This is where we start to tap into the quantum field and access alternate realities where our desires are already manifested. It's like having a cheat code for the universe. Quantum physics has shown us that reality is not as fixed or linear as we once thought. In fact, there are multiple timelines and parallel realities existing simultaneously, each with its own unique outcomes and possibilities. By learning to navigate these alternate realities through the power of our consciousness, we can literally reshape our lives and manifest our deepest desires with ease. But how do we access these advanced levels of manifestation? The key is expanding our consciousness and developing a deeper connection to the universal energy that flows through all things. This is where practices like meditation, mindfulness, and energy work come into play. By quieting the mind and tapping into the infinite wisdom of our higher selves, we can start to perceive reality beyond the limitations of our 5 senses. We can learn to see beyond the illusions of linear time and cause and effect, and instead operate from a place of pure potentiality. As we expand our consciousness, we begin to realize that we are not separate from the universe, but rather an integral part of it. We are the universe experiencing itself through our unique perspective, and as such, we have the power to shape our reality in any way we choose. But don't just take my word for it. Throughout history, there have been countless examples of individuals who have tapped into these advanced levels of manifestation to create extraordinary lives. From spiritual masters and enlightened gurus to people with psychic abilities and expanded perceptual capacities, these individuals have demonstrated the incredible potential of human consciousness. They have shown us that it's possible to manifest healing, abundance, and even supernatural abilities through the power of our minds. And let's not forget about the artists, visionaries, and creative geniuses who seem to effortlessly bring their ideas into form. These individuals have mastered the art of tapping into the quantum field and allowing their desires to flow through them with ease and grace. But perhaps the most compelling evidence for the power of advanced manifestation comes from the countless stories of ordinary people who have experienced sudden and drastic shifts in their lives. People who have gone from poverty to abundance, from sickness to health, and from limitation to freedom, all by learning to harness the power of their consciousness. So, what does this all mean for you? It means that no matter where you are on your manifestation journey, there is always room for growth and expansion. By continuing to develop your consciousness and deepen your connection to the universal energy, you too can unlock the quantum reality code and manifest the life of your dreams. But don't worry, you don't have to take this journey alone. In the next section, we'll explore some of the cutting-edge research and scientific evidence that is emerging in support of these ideas. We'll also look at some practical tools and techniques for expanding your consciousness and tapping into the quantum field. So, keep an open mind and get ready to have your reality rocked. The universe is waiting for you to claim your power and step into the life you were meant to live. Are you ready to unlock the quantum reality code? The scientific frontier. As we've explored the incredible possibilities of advanced manifestation and the power of consciousness, you may be wondering, is there any scientific evidence to support these ideas? The answer is a resounding yes. In recent years, there has been a growing body of research emerging from the fields of quantum physics, neuroscience, and psychology that is beginning to validate many of the principles and practices of manifestation. One of the most exciting areas of research is the study of the quantum field, the underlying field of energy and information that connects all things. Scientists are beginning to understand that this field is not just some abstract concept, but a very real and tangible force that can be harnessed and influenced by our thoughts and intentions. In fact, some researchers have even been able to measure the effects of human consciousness on the quantum field, showing that our thoughts and emotions can literally reshape reality at the subatomic level. Another area of research that is shedding light on the power of manifestation is the study of neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to change and rewire itself in response to our thoughts and experiences. By learning to focus our attention and cultivate positive mental states, we can literally reshape our neural pathways and create new patterns of thought and behavior that support our desired outcomes. And let's not forget about the placebo effect, the well-documented phenomenon where people experience real and measurable changes in their health and well-being simply by believing in the power of a treatment, even if that treatment is just a sugar pill. This is a powerful testament to the mind-body connection and the ability of our beliefs and expectations to shape our reality. Of course, there are still many challenges and limitations to overcome in terms of reconciling these ideas with mainstream science. Many of these concepts are still considered fringe or pseudoscientific by the broader scientific community. But as more and more research emerges and more people begin to experience the benefits of these practices firsthand, it's becoming harder and harder to dismiss them as mere wishful thinking or New Age nonsense. And who knows, perhaps in the not-too-distant future, we will see a genuine scientific revolution that fully validates and integrates the principles of manifestation into our understanding of reality. In the meantime, there are still plenty of practical tools and techniques that you can use to start harnessing the power of your consciousness and manifesting your desired outcomes. From visualization and affirmations to meditation and energy work, there are countless ways to begin aligning your thoughts, beliefs, and actions with the reality you wish to create. And remember, the journey of manifestation is not just about getting what you want, but about becoming the person you need to be to receive it. By doing the inner work and cultivating a deep sense of self-awareness and personal growth, you will naturally begin to attract the experiences and opportunities that are in alignment with your highest potential. So, as we come to the end of this video, I want to leave you with a few key takeaways. First and foremost, remember that you are a powerful creator with the ability to shape your reality through the power of your consciousness. No matter where you are on your manifestation journey, there is always room for growth and expansion. By continuing to develop your awareness and deepen your connection to the universal energy, you will unlock new levels of potential and possibility. And finally, don't be afraid to dream big and imagine a life beyond your wildest dreams. The universe is conspiring in your favor, and everything you need to manifest your desires is already within you. Until next time, remember, the universe is waiting for you to claim your power and step into the life you were meant to live.